You got it, bro. All right. All right, brother. Too round. All right, get moving. Get that blood flowing. This is our morning walk. How you feeling today? I hope you're feeling good. Today I started my day off with a nice breakfast. My NutriBullet shake. Greens with greens in it. With banana and an apple. Usually I throw an orange in there too, but I gotta get to the grocery store and get me some oranges. Really has been a blessing. So that's what I had today. And I'm just encouraging you. Look at this guy right here. He got it. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. You got it, bro. All right. All right, brother. Too round. All right. Tuesday. That was really impromptu, guys. The orange is making it a little bit more sweeter, but it's fine. You know? I had a healthy break from the grocery store. It has nuts and cheese in it, so get a nice little balanced break. No, I'm sorry, it's called balanced break. Break, actually. So you get a nice little balanced breakfast, you know, nothing too serious. Those products have changed my life. I'll come back after my morning walk, have some oatmeal. I like sleep shots. Have some oatmeal. Really has been a blessing. So that's what I had today. And I'm just encouraging you. Look at this guy right here. He got it. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. You got it, bro. All right. All right, brother. Too round. All right. Tuesday. That was really impromptu, guys. And this is nice. When I can stay in a place like this. But anyway, have some oatmeal. Of course, I already had my vitamins. I already had my nutraceuticals. Oh my God. B12 vitamin really gives me a great push for the day, throughout the day. B12 vitamins, calcium, supplement, my OPC3, super antioxidant, the bomb. And my multivitamin. So I'll put a link under the video for those products. It really helps me with my health and wellness every single day for years now. And I've been using those products for a long time, y'all. Really has been a blessing. So that's what I had today. And I'm just encouraging you. Look at this guy right here. He got it. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. You got it, bro. All right. All right, brother. The beauty of this is that I was running 2 miles after work 15 to 18 years ago. I used to get off work, you know, having taken this in the morning time. At 5:30, I get off work, I'm going to the track. I'm running 2 miles and doing sprints and things of that nature, y'all. You know, because of this product. This product is beautiful, it's awesome. I know a person who has lupus. She has problems with energy and things of that nature. Guess what? She says, this helped me to get up in the morning. So I have a lot of testimonies about people who love this product. And you can buy this product at my website. Be blessed. Too round. All right. Tuesday. That was really impromptu, guys. But anyway, he's doing it. He's still doing it. Oh man. But anyway, so what else? I had some coffee, of course. Now, I ran out of the weight loss coffee that I use. I'll put that under the video as well. Very good stuff, very tasty, helps to cut your appetite. But what we're gonna do every morning, as they say, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Get your day started well with your breakfast, but also if you can get moving before work, before you get your day started. I'm going up a hill now, y'all. Going up a hill. I'm a little bit out of breath because I haven't been. I'm just getting back to my workout routine. And we've been walking for a while now. So I'm a little bit out of breath. I've been working a lot and things of that nature. But thankfully I'm just getting back into it. But I want to encourage you to put your health and wellness first. Turn back the clock. And if you're already young, go ahead, keep yourself young for a long time. Young and strong and vibrant. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and go. Beautiful sight here in early fall. The leaves are changing. I've been walking past this tree right here for the past couple weeks or so. And it's changed colors. Oh my God. So beautiful. Fall is coming. So why don't we do this? Why don't we, right now, with our health and wellness, what are your goals for 2024? Right? So right now, like, this is how I like to think. Don't think short term. Don't think, oh yeah, next week. By next week, I'm gonna lose 10 pounds. Don't even think like that. You can, if it works for you, but what I find works better for me is think like this. Right now, the colors of the trees are changing because it's fall time. Make a goal for next year, fall time or springtime or summertime, that you're gonna lose a certain amount of weight or you're gonna get healthier by this many bounds and leaps. Whether it's lowering your cholesterol or lowering your blood sugar, whatever it may be, whatever kind of goals you have, or working out more, working out longer, eating better, go ahead and make those goals right now and start to implement different things in your life that will help you to accomplish those goals. So go ahead and like and subscribe and share this video with someone that you care about, someone that you love. And what we'll do is we'll do this together. And every day I'll try to post a video to encourage you. Be blessed.
49 when I checked upstairs the first time.
Right. What a beautiful day in Raleigh, homies. What's going on? Like Weezy and Skip say, good morning. No, but it's a beautiful day, y'all. Just out for my first walk. Me and my son, we out for our first walk. And that is beautiful day. You see downtown Raleigh right there? See it right there? Yeah. Downtown Raleigh. It's really beautiful at night. It's really beautiful at night. Really emotional video. I think very powerful to some people. And that's the people who I want to speak to. People who are in save my life mode. If you're in save my life mode like I am, then what I'm going to do, I think is really going to help you, because I want you to wake up to the reality that you need to save your life. You need to be in save your life mode for the rest of your life.